Cleaning your tires is part of routine maintenance. Before we start, let's take a quick look at what we'll need to properly clean your tires. You'll need a soft bristle brush, a microfiber cloth, and a cleaning solution that is made specifically for cleaning tires. Avoid using any solutions that list silicone or raw formaldehyde as an ingredient, as these compounds can cause your tire's rubber to deteriorate. Make sure the tire is wet before applying any cleaning solution, and let the solution sit on the tire before scrubbing with the brush. This allows the solution to break down any built-up grime on the tire. Keep an eye on it though, we don't want the solution to dry out. After a few seconds, go ahead and scrub the tire with the brush. You're going to want to use a soft or medium bristle brush so that if you make any contact with the wheels, you won't leave any scratches. Use your microfiber to thoroughly dry your tire, and you're all set. Your tires pick up more grime than any other part of your vehicle's exterior, but if you take care of them, they'll take care of you. This is a good time to check your tire pressure too. Come on into one of our stores for a complimentary air check.